Okay, begin.
Hi, I'm Christina M. Benitez, 22 years old, and currently working here at Pampanga, Philippines. And I am a graduate of Bachelor of Home Science and Technology. And I believe that being a Christian is uh, a great testimony to have. And I also wish that I would found a guy who share the same beliefs and same values that I have.
Okay, great. And tell me more about the kind of person you want to meet.
Responsible, sweet and gentleman, God-fearing, of course, and good person as a whole.
Okay. Okay, great. Um, what do you like to do in your spare time? What are you interested in?
Spare time. I usually reading some novelties, or if I go here at SM, I'm always go at the National Bookstore to read some novelties and to buy some reading materials.
Okay, great. Anything you'd like to add?
Um, Nothing.
Okay, one more question. What do you think of Christian Filipina?
uh, Christian Filipina. It is a good and beautiful site. It is a big help, like for me to found a uh, the guy that I dream for, and I know that through this site I will mingle some other people as same as Philip as I have.
Okay, great. Um, thank you very much, Christina.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.